first time ever with an unboxing type video. But I'm super excited because Plugo finally got here. So I got this on Kickstarter a while ago, and I'm super excited that it is finally here. It arrived earlier in the week, but the app wasn't ready. So now that the app is ready, I am ready to open it. Plugo. Where STEM meets fun. So cool packaging. Have scissors handy. Nothing better than opening a new toy on a snow day. So let's see, how do we... Yes, this was funded on Kickstarter. It looks like things slide out. So here's Plugo link. Let's see. So that will go with the Plugo system. There's the link. Let's see what this is. Here's Plugo Count. Plugo Count is the one that I think I'm really excited about because of the math aspects. But it's got this little thingy right here. And then it has these little operation beads and number beads. So there's an operation. I'm calling it a bead. I don't know what it is. And there's the number ones. And here is the patent pending Plugo gamepad. Oh, it's huge. Wow, I don't know what I was expecting. I use Osmo all the time with my students, so I don't know that I was expecting Plugo to be so big. And apparently you set it down. So here's the whole thing. You set it down, the iPad goes in here. This tray right here is where the iPad is supposed to go. I'll have to read to figure out how. And then you have the play space. This says play here, so I think this is where like the base goes, and then you have your play space. So next up, we'll be setting this all up and downloading and seeing how the app works. Very exciting. So we're downloading the app from the App Store. Shifu Plugo, SHIFU-PLUGO. Right now they only have 2 of the activities available, Plugo Link and Plugo Count, and they are both in this app. It says to activate once you've downloaded the app. It tells you that you want to log in, and it says select your kit. If you have 1 or more Plugo, select all at this stage. So right now I'm going to get all of them and I will sync them all, and we will see of the games and levels and go from there. So downloaded it, opening it.
The process to set up Plugo is fairly painless and quick. You'll take care of the usual creating an account, and then you need to sync their app, which currently is used for both of the tools they have available, Link and Count. While it's syncing, you might be curious to know that Shifu, which creates Plugo, has a variety of other tools as well. And quoting from their website, it says, "We are revolutionizing the world by creating a range of extraordinary educational toys." Plugo is Shifu's newest product. They have a variety of educational AR tools and toys, and I'm really excited to play with Plugo.